Hello everyone, my name is Max Kavanaugh. I'm here at the MarineMax Rogers location, and I wanted to announce our winter sales series that starts the end of November and goes through the end of January. It will be happening at our Rogers location, our Excelsior location, and our Bayport location. Now we have certain weeks set up for certain models and brands, and week one will be towboat week. Week two will be luxury bow riders. Week three will be our pontoons. Now at the end of it, to cap it all off, we will have our open house where everyone can come in and look at all the different brands and models that we do carry and really compare them, which will be great for you guys. It'll be fun for us as well. And on top of that, before this all kicks off, stay tuned for our content that we put out there of different brands and models of the boats. So you get kind of a preview of what's going to happen and what's going on, which is exciting for you and exciting for us. Other than that, we appreciate it. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon.